Hey, what's going on, Bladers? Galactic-beys here. No, I found this really awesome launcher. I bought this thing like over 2 years ago. I can't even remember. And it sounds awesome. You gotta listen to this. Listen to this thing. I have no idea what is in there making it do that. But I pulled out all my other ones. I couldn't find another one like that. Listen to these ones. This is a normal launcher. Then you got this thing. I have no idea. That sounds crazy. Maybe it's just something like gears or something rubbing, but we're gonna find out. I'm taking this thing apart. Get some tools out. You gotta see what's in this thing. I'm pretty interested. I have no idea. Definitely sounds like a mod or something. Oh, you hear that, crispy? Look at it, you can tell. This is real. Listen to this one. Oh, that one didn't snap. The other one snapped though. I've never taken this thing apart or anything, so you're seeing it with me. I think it's cool. Somebody did something to it. This is imported from Japan years ago. Alright, here we are. Maybe it's just wore out. I don't know. Wait a minute. What the heck is that? What is that? What? This thing can't be right. I don't know. That is strange. That thing looks like it's got a custom part or something. Well, I don't know. Wow, that sounds so weird. It says it looks real. Let's open up another one of these. What in the heck is that? Wow. Wonder if it's like some kind of custom, or maybe an event prize or something. I don't know. Wow. Does that snap again? Wow, this one's really snapping. So it seems like that one's been taken apart before. Here we are. Oh, wow, that's different. Oh, wow. What the heck? It don't want to come apart. Oh, the screws out. Oh, there it goes. Wow, yeah, that's definitely different than the other one. That is different. What is that? I think somebody I think somebody put that in there. It looks like there's grease on it. Old grease. Look at that thing. What? That is just wow. Look at this thing. Oh. Oh, there it goes. What is... Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh. Play some tunes. Yeah, look at this thing. What? Yeah, that's definitely modified. Can you believe that? Somebody put a gear in the thing. Must be the other gear broke or something, and then they put this in there. Huh. Let's look at this from the other side. I don't want to break it. Wow. Pretty wild. This is wild. Hmm. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is definitely modded. Oh, man. Look at that. And then that's grease right there. Somebody greased it and everything. Getting grease on me. Look at that. Huh. I don't know. Maybe that was just like a custom mod or something. That's pretty wild. Wow, man. That is strange. Unreal. Can you believe it? Look at that. That is just crazy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is wild. Oh, that is wild. Look at that. Huh. Look at that. Hmm. Kind of looks like the spool's different too a little bit there. It looks darker or something. Maybe there's something in there. I don't want to pull that gear off, so I've got to go at it from the back. Looks dark right there. Wonder if there's something in there or something. Well, they definitely greased it up. Well, nothing special. But that gear thing's cool. That took some time. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to put this thing back together now.